I've been looking around for another transmitter that I can use for FPV with my E4K or my Firefly Q6, both cameras I really like, and there's loads of reviews of them on the channel to go and have a look at the footage because they're both very good. What I've been using at the moment is total overkill. It's a TS832, weighs an absolute ton and it's huge, but it does a really good job. I've been pleased with it, but I was just after something a bit smaller. So after having a couple of drinks the other night and sitting troving through the GearBest website, I came across one that I'd not come across before. This is from PandaRC. It's a 200mW transmitter and it has the 40 channels on. So I thought, for the money, let's give it a go. So I thought I'd do a bit of a review on it and let's see how we get on. So there it is, all out of the packaging, and quite a small looking size, almost like a postage size. And then when I put it next to what I was using before, you can actually see a huge amount of difference in size there. So it's going to save me a lot of weight, means I can use it on smaller quads as well. There's also a major difference obviously in the actual weight itself. And we got my original one coming in at sort of 27 grams, and then this new one is coming in at 15, just on 16 grams, so huge amount of savings there as well. Okay, so I've just popped the connector in, and I just thought I'd run through the wiring with you. There's no actual instructions with this whatsoever, but it's really not that difficult anyway, so it will be fine. So just separate those out, and this is our power in, and as you can see here, it takes from 7 to 24 volts. On the red obviously is your plus, and then your minus is, and the ground is the black. So it'll work from 2-cell up to 6-cell, and I will actually put a little JST connector on this, which is real overkill for the weight of these wires, but I've got absolutely loads of these sort of connectors, and this is how I usually power up on my quad. On loads of different quads actually. I use a cable going to JST, and it goes from the balance charger cable on the actual battery, so it's just the way I do it, and I have them for 2-cell, 3-cell and 4-cell, and so it's just easy for me to go for JST. You use whatever you like, but you basically need to power it up. As you can see there, you got your 4 wires there, which are basically going to the actual camera, and then you've got 5-volt out, so that will keep my camera charged up while it's in flight, which is brilliant. You've got your ground on your black as well, so your negative basically. You've got an audio on this one, which I didn't have on my other one, and that's the white one, and then the actual video is the yellow one. Where I don't intend to use the audio cable, I thought I'd take it out actually, so I've just simply lifted this little tab that sticks out here, and it actually holds the cable and the connector in, and then just slide the cable out, and then that just saves it getting caught anywhere. To change the channel on here, you simply press the button and you can choose whatever channel you like up to the 8, and then if you want to change the band, you simply hold it down for a couple of seconds and then it will change over to what band you're going to select. So we're all wired up, and I've used the same connector that actually came on the my original one, which was TS832, had this sort of setup. I've done it the same, and then I can just quickly swap them over if I need to check anything, if I have a failure anyway. So, and just pop that all in, and then just pop it on the power supply using the JST, and that will power up the camera as well. And then I've already hunted for the signal actually, so just to make sure it was all working. And there we go, nice and fast FPV, and we've got a little bit of on-screen display going on there as well, so it tells us that we're on camera or we're on video, and then when we're recording we get a nice big bright red dot in the top left hand corner, which will obviously be on the goggles as well. So there we go, let's pop this on a quad and go for a flight. So there we go, all assembled up, ready to go, same as what I did before really. Just held on with elastic bands. It's only a test, and I tend to swap the quads around so much. This suits me the way I do it. You can build it all in, make it look really neat and smart, I'm sure, but this quad will be in totally different guise tomorrow, and that's the way I like to run them.